Today we're making a perfect omelet in the air fryer because I'm not flipping anything before my coffee. First, the pan goes in. We're preheating at 400 degrees, not because we're cooking at 400, but because we want that pan violently hot. While that's heating up, crack 3 eggs into a bowl, add a little salt, pepper, and 1 tablespoon of water. The key is to whisk. Mix it like it owes you money. We want air in there so it comes out fluffy. Now that pan is hot, drop in half a tablespoon of butter and give it a swirl. You can even throw it back in the air fryer for a few seconds. Alright, butter melted, pour in the eggs. Add your toppings, spinach, tomatoes, mushrooms, cheese, whatever you got. Just don't overstuff it or it turns into egg lasagna. Still good, different genre. Cook for 8 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Halfway through, give it a peek. Air fryers love to redecorate. And look at that. The perfect omelet. Eat it just like this or roll it up. Either way, absolutely delicious. If this just saved your morning, hit that like and subscribe button and check back later this week for more easy air fryer wins. Thanks for watching. Mikey Conquers the Kitchen.